Hello everyone, and welcome to my HTML and CSS tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a simple website in HTML. If you haven't ever heard of HTML, it is the language we use to structure our websites. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. To start, we'll need a text editor for writing code. I prefer to use VS Code because of its helpful features like snippets, code highlighting, and a vast library of extensions to make coding easier. If you haven't settled on a text editor yet, I strongly recommend giving VS Code a try. Next, we'll start by clicking on Open Folder and navigating to the location where we want to create our project. Then click on New Folder to create a folder for our project and name it HTML Tutorial. Within HTML Tutorial, click on New File and name it index.html. This is where we will write our HTML code. Now simply drag the index.html file into your browser and you're ready to start coding. So HTML uses tags to structure websites. Type in exclamation mark and enter to create a simple HTML document. It might seem a bit confusing at first, but don't worry, I'll explain each part as we go along. Doctype HTML signifies that we are using HTML. HTML is the root element that wraps all the content on the page. Head contains meta information about the document, like the title. Title sets the title of the web page, and body contains the content of the web page. If you save the code and refresh the web page, you should see document as the title of our web page. Let's create our first HTML tag. In VS Code, you can simply type in the tag name and press enter to have a tag auto-completed for you. Let's start with the H1 through H6 tags. If we create an H1 tag and type in some text into it and save, you can see that the text within the H1 tag is now displayed in a larger, bold font. Now let's add an H2 tag and a P tag to our document. The H2 tag is used for secondary headings, which are slightly smaller than H1's. And the P tag is used for paragraphs of text, and we can see what it looks like on the web page. Today, we learned the basics of creating a simple HTML web page, where we can use tags to create headings and paragraphs for our content. Thanks for watching! If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!